Hi, I'm Eunho Choi, and I'm a PhD student in Professor Woo Jung-shin's laboratory in the Department of Bio and Brain Engineering at KAIST. I'm honored to be a fellowship recipient of the International Foundation for Ethical Research. My research focuses on developing a new alternative to antibiotics for preventing neonatal group B streptococcus infection. I'm engineering a probiotic bacteria called E. coli Nissl 1917 so that it can specifically capture and eliminate GBS. By using this engineered probiotic, we aim to treat GBS without causing the dysbiosis typically associated with antibiotics. To test whether this living therapeutic works safely and effectively, I use colonoscopy. This is a microphysiological system that mimics the human intestine. Using this system, we can evaluate new therapeutics without relying on animal models. Today, most microbiota-related research still depends on animals. This is because current in vitro model cannot support long-term co-culture of bacteria with human cells. Organochip technology addresses this challenge by reproducing human physiological features, including peristalsis and fluid flow, much more accurately than animal models. Through my project, I aim to show that engineered living therapeutics can be safely developed and tested using this platform. I wanted to contribute a future where we rely more on human-relevant in vitro platform, which aligns strongly with IFER's mission to advance ethical scientific innovation. In the future, I plan to further optimize the engineered probiotic strain and expand our colonoscopy experiments. My long-term goal is to contribute to new biotechnologies that are ethical, effective, and that reduce or replace animal testing. I'd like to thank my advisor, Professor Woo Jung-shin, and all members of our lab for their continuous guidance and support. Thank you.